Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make money from CryptoTab. First, you need to download CryptoTab browser from Google Play Store. Click it. Yes. We enter the CryptoTab. We must enter the CryptoTab. Yes. I have already installed it. I have been earning BTC for about 3 weeks. Now enter the program. I have an account because I registered before. You need to register first in the program. We click on the icon above right on the top side. You can register section appears. You can register with any Google account. Click it. Yes. Remind me later. Yes. After the registering, we click on the part that say enable mining on the first page. Enable mining. Here the program start to work. It stop itself after 2 hours. You have to restart the program. Yes. On the page above. Withdraw BTC. You must verify your email. Click it. Yes. I enter the Google Gmail account. Yes, click. It's here. Refresh the page. Yes. CryptoTab team. CryptoTab team. Yes. You verify your email on the page. Click it. After the click the button. Yes. You don't have now enough BTC because I didn't start the program. First, I enter the first page. I must enter the first page. Click the CryptoTab dashboard. Yes, my program is start. Yes, finished.